Hello everyone, today I have called from body shop and they got Jaguar 2010 and this one right here. So the car it has a key. The car come up to the frame machine is running and now there's nothing on it. See, I have the key and it's nothing, it's not responding and it says key is not detected. So I find out, I just want to shoot a quick video for my follower and my subscriber. So I find out when they take the back bumper. So remember, the Jaguar has the main harness back there. This one right here from the back, and it's connected through this. So the guy, it looks like when he got the frame machine hooked up, he has to remove this harness. So the quickest way and easy way to do it very quick to get the car started, especially if you want to take it off the frame machine. Did you see the green one? Just plug it in. That's for the main antenna in the back right here. And this one, the gray one, this one has the bumper sensors and some other rear camera system. In case if you have an issue with the camera, we can do another video for how to troubleshoot the rear camera. But for now, if you hooked up this and I already get the maintainer, look, now the remote gonna start, because before the remote doesn't start. Look at this. There you go. So now I believe we can start the car. So remember, if you have disconnected the rear antenna, that's the master. That's the master antenna. So now we got push to start. At least we have crank before. There you go. But at least we have the car up. And right here too. So okay, so it could be, but at least you know what's going on with the car. It could be the maintainer or the battery is bad, but the car come up running, and we need to do it. At least the car is, you know, is not dead, and the remote is still work. So I was coming to make a key. So when I saw this, I explained the guy. I still gotta charge the guy at least minimum charge. But at least, you know, I got him, he can run the car and bring it down from the frame machine. And that was a quick video for you guys. And remember, the main antenna in the back by the rear bumper for Jaguar and Land Rover. All the Land Rover and the Jaguar is gonna be in the rear bumper. So make sure this rear connector is connected. If you don't have a remote control, is not working, or the car doesn't start, or the car is dead, or if you have a programmed key and it's still saying key is not found. So yeah, like that. Anyway, so I'm here to start the car, so we should be good. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.